So the YouTube upload isn't working. I have an awesome video recorded of my average of 5, and the fastest one was 49 seconds, but oh well, I have to record it like this because I have to get it on the web. So, here it is. So that was I don't know, probably a minute solve. Not very good, but just any feedback. I know that I do too many cube rotations on my F2L. Um, I don't do my F2L in the fewest moves that I could. My cross could use some memorization work. Um, and I need to get from the 4-look last layer to the 2-look. That's all I really know that I need to work on. If you have any advice, I'd love to hear it. So thanks for watching. See ya.